This is something super exact. If I think of each child, there are two possibilities, and we're talking about ordered septuples here. And then one of them would be all girls, the other would be the other extreme of all boys, and then everything in between: boy, 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 girl, 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 as one example. Well, instead of trying to write all of these, we could say, okay, according to the multiplication principle, with two choices for each birth, boy or girl, then that there are 7 children being born, 2 to the 7th, assuming that we have equally likely for boy or girl on a single birth, then it probably stands to reason, we could talk about this a little later in another video, that with families of 7 children, that each of these possibilities in the denominator, whatever 2 to the 7th is equal to, is going to be equally likely. That is the number that they've come up with. So that is due to a theoretical approach, i.e. a classical probability, using that classical method. So let's say that they look at 1,000 families, and that out of those 1,000 families with 7 children, that they had 0.0065. That's not the same, although sort of close. That would be due to the empirical method, because I actually went to families with similar conditions, each having 7 children. They counted the number of times that they found in those 7 children that they were all girls, and that was divided by how many trials there were, 1,000 families. Not sure on this one. Could be either subjective method, i.e. just going on gut feelings, or it could be empirical, whatever their track record is. Let's see about that. Subjective though. Okay. Clinical trials. Probably talking about empirical.